As promised, I'm finally dyeing my hair.
Hey gems, it's Cassjcass. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not even going to waste time telling you to do something that you already know. Hint and hint again.
Originally, I went to the store to get the hair dye, and I found these instead, which I thought was really interesting because the last ones I've seen were the gel ones, and the gel didn't really work out the first time I tried it. So I thought I would get this one. So I got the Auburn, I think that's how I pronounce it, Auburn color. So as you see, if you look at my hair, I've tried it because I wasn't sure, like I wanted to see if it's going to feel wet and how it's gonna feel when I go to sleep with it. So I did that, and I thought, you know, I would actually go all the way. I'm still going to do just the ends, but before that I'm gonna fix my hair and also part everything, that way when I paint it I can it can look good. I'm done separating everything. So the direction for this says shake well before using, hold can from 10 inches from hair, spread in quick burst motions. To remove, brush hair, that can be brushed, and wash thoroughly. So I think it's safe to say it's gonna take a little longer for me to take these out. But okay, so when I was doing these little two, in the front, I used these jeans. So what I did, I made a little hole and then pulled the hair through it and then spray it down. But because these are bigger, I made the hole a little bigger. So what I'm gonna do now is, where's the hole? Yeah, and then I'm only spraying the ends, so I'm just gonna do that. To be honest, I've never seen anybody else do that. I guess that's really ghetto, but this is it. Yeah, that's what's gonna help. That's what helped me, so that's the method I'm gonna keep. So I'm only aiming to spray this. If more of them spray, I don't really mind. I don't have any more gloves. I don't have any gloves at all. So since it's just wash, I'm just gonna wash my hands. So I am going somewhere, so that's why I need my hair now. All right, what I've done. Should I wear a mask? All right, so I'm only leaving the little end, and then I'm just gonna spray it down. Yes, I think that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so as you can see, big difference from the front and the top, from the top and the bottom. So yes, that is not 10 inches. It's not 10 inches. I was not holding that 10 inches. But anyways, I'm gonna open my window because, yeah. I am done. Look at my hair. I just got my nails done. Yeah, so that happened. So this, if I were to do all of it, it would have been sad because this is done. And then in the back, I sort of had to skip a little and then go back on them. They're not all the way how I want it to be. Yeah, so I had to skip the back a little. It's not all the way done, but yeah, so next time I have to get two. Anyway, so this is it. I have to go wash my hands and then I'll show you the finished product. So this is how my hair came out. This is 4 days after. This is how it looked. I'm going to show you some picture of the day off because I was so busy. Like always, I was running late to go somewhere. So I'm going to show you some pictures, but until 3 days, although my hair is kind of dry right now because I haven't been spraying it and because I don't want the color to come out. But yeah, so I'm not mad at it, to be honest. It looks so much better than I expected it to look, and I'm happy. So after 4 days, it was obviously more like more bright when I first did it, but after 4 days, for it to be a spray and still look like this, I'm happy with it. And it doesn't look too crazy in my hair either, because this is how it looks under the light. I don't know if you can see. So under the light, this is how it looks. It doesn't look too crazy under my hair, so I'm not mad at it at all. But yeah, anyways, enjoy these pictures because I should have enjoyed that even I went to. For the video, thank you so much for watching. I'm running late for work, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.